Om Sairam. Today we can discuss the topic 12th standard physics, drift velocity and the mobility. Drift velocity. Drift velocity means the average velocity acquired by the electrons inside the conductor when it is subjected to an electric field. This is for the definitions of the drift velocity. From Newton's second law, F equal to ma, that means A equal to F by m. That is the acceleration. Already we learned that is F equal to QE formula you learn. Q means that is a charge. It be considered electrons, so minus E. E for electrons and E for electric field. And you apply that value, that is accelerations A vectors equal to minus E vectors by m. What is the formula for acceleration? Accelerations A equal to V by T. That means velocity by time taken. Here velocity V, it is Vd. That means drift velocity. And T for tau. That means mean free time. So apply the formula A equal to Vd by tau. That means cross multiply means that is Vd equal to A tau. And A means already we learned that is minus E vector by m. So apply that means that is Vd equal to minus E tau by m and E vectors. And E tau by m is called constant, that is mu. That is mu is the mobility. So Vd equal to minus mu E vector. Mobility. That means definitions of the mobility, that is magnitude of the drift velocity per unit electric field. The formula is mu modulus of Vd vectors by modulus of E vector. SI units. First one, that is unit of drift velocity. Vd equal to formula is A tau, that is unit. Acceleration unit is ms power minus 2 and tau means that is t, that is s. So simplify means ms power minus 1. That means unit of drift velocity is ms power minus 1. Next, that is unit of mobility. Formula is that is mu Vd vector by E vector. The unit is Vd means that is a velocity ms power minus 1 by E means that is electric field, that is V m power minus 1. And in the both items மேல கொண்டு போனோம்னா that is m squared V power minus 1 and S power minus 1. Combine and write, that is the unit of mobility is m power 2 V power minus 1 S power minus 1. Thank you.